Okay, you can see you add the circle and then you add the path. Okay, after that you have this shape. Okay, so goes to this one, data geometry object. You select the circles. You select the circles. Okay, so your path will be changed based on your circle. And then when you modify these circles, right? Okay, it's able to modify the path as well. Okay, and then you twist and you modify your curve, so it can be like this. Okay, so now we do this one. We goes to add curve and then we add the circles. Okay, and then we add curve. Okay, we add the path, so you move aside a bit. Okay, so this one you can go to edit mode. So this is the mode that you can modify your path. Okay, so you goes to this, okay, data here, goes to geometry and you select the circles here. Okay, sorry, this object, sorry, goes to object, this one, and you select your badger. So now you see it will become like this already. Okay, so it will based on the shape of this one. So you go to these badger circles. Okay, you go to object mode. Okay, you select the badger here. So you edit these badgers. You see, okay, I'm edit this thing. Okay, I'm move it. You see, my path also will edited. Okay, see, can you see? Okay, so this one is a normal circles. Okay, you can be subdivide even more, so you can do more shape. Okay, you can make it like this. Okay, so now you have this. Okay, then you can all modify the path as well. Okay, you go to object mode, you select your path and then you edit your path. So your path you can edit. Okay, you can like this shape. Okay, or you can drag it. You can drag it, or you can extrude it even more. You can extrude it. Okay, you can extrude it, extrude it. Okay, so if this one you want to like tips here, you can go to radius here. Okay, you can go to radius and you press zeros. Okay, okay, you press the 0 means that it's a 0 radius, so it will two tips like this. Okay, so you select this point, so you go to radius. Okay, and then you can press the 0. Okay, oh, or you can just drag like this, press the 0. Okay, so like this, or you can fill the cap, then it will be like this, fill the cap. Okay, so here as well you can reduce the radius. You can twist it, using this one, twist it. Okay, twist. Okay,